You don't play with that, bro. How us Filipinos do. We are fairly resourceful. We grab leftovers and we make something new.
I like how we both said eggs.
I know, dude. You put eggs on anything, it makes it special.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's like the when they say sundae with a cherry on top.
Mm-hmm.
Eggs on top. That should be the new cherry on top. That stuff's delicious. Oh man, what a day! On a red day, we're still eking out some gains. I like this. Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tef Leezy Fo Sheezy is in the heezy. Are you still short Netflix?
Damn right I am.
Yeah, you're still short Netflix. Good on you, my guy. I didn't catch that wave.
We're gonna bank tomorrow.
I know. My how do you say this? I made a boo-boo earlier. I went long on Moderna. And I got spooked. And I sold for $100 loss.
And it ran. No, that's
awful. You see what I mean? That's so annoying. These stocks, man. You just really have to have some type of conviction sometimes. But you know what? It's the game that we play, huh?
That's how it is, though. But we talk about risk management. We talk about position sizing.
Yeah. I didn't want to go full on risk because the market was not giving us any type of proper direction towards the end. So it was really tough to make those calls. But hey, you know what? I closed Lucid. I sadly I didn't close Lucid at the top, but I did make a nice chunk of change off of Lucid. Yep. I think I don't know if there's any more. We saw Bollinger Pierce on the hourly, so that might be fairly it for now. It's going to probably trade sideways for quite some time before we get the next move up, and that's what I'm really hoping for is the next move up. So there's a little bit of an update for you guys. Is there more pain for tech, John?
Looks good. It actually there's going to be more pain tomorrow.
Yeah. It looks good because we want to short everything. So again, on this channel, we're not perma bulls. We're not perma bears. We take what the market gives us and we trade that direction. The reason why is because why are you going to bag hold a position knowing that you're just going to hold on for some pain? Why can't you just make money on the downside? And thank God we have puts for that, right?
Yep.
Dude, if I could short crypto, I'd short crypto. Just for a downward momentum right now.
My portfolio is hurting right now.
Oh, it's ass. It's absolute ass.
Well, guess what though? We get to dollar cost average.
We definitely get to dollar cost average. So if you guys want to know how we dollar cost average and manage our risk and try to make money while stocks are going down, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Are you still long on Chinese stocks? Then your portfolio is about to tell you to go kick rocks. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Oh man, these are always fun. Because I'm always up against the bell when I come up with these, and sometimes it's just magic. Sometimes it falls.
We got to talk about China.
We do. Let's get into a little bit of China right now. It's not looking good. So I was texting your brother, the crypto keeper, earlier, and he's telling me that majority of the debt that's tied to China is tied to a cryptocurrency called Tether, and they loaned it out last June, and they're defaulting this month. So that's why crypto is taking a dump-a-rooney. Isn't that the ironic thing? It's like the country that says we're banning all crypto is also deep into crypto.
How ironic is that?
The irony is just everywhere. Also, where the f- is Jack Ma? Somebody tell me where Jackie is. We haven't seen Jackie in so long.
He's been quiet, man.
I don't know. Is he quiet or is it like a silencio?
He's been quiet, or either that, or he's been locked up in an interrogation room or something.
Yeah, so China, it's not looking good for the Chinese market right now. We'll definitely keep an eye on that. Speaking of the Chinese market, Evergrande risk assessment shirts are now available at tradingdaddies.com. Such good design.
I can't wear that out here, man. People are gonna look at me like, what are these? Are these chopsticks on your shirt?
And you're like, yeah. Yes, Mark. These are chopsticks on my shirt. Also, that tattoo that you have on the back of your neck that you say it's for strength, it says penis. I love it when they come out with like, oh, look at my Jew tribal tattoo. Well, excuse me, sir. From what tribe are you from? Sir. We need to talk about what tribe you're from.
Best believe.
Best believe. All right. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up, because if you guys gave us a thumbs down, a full one, drop down in the comment section below the stock you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it right after this intro. All right. You know what's great about Tuesdays? Remember games.
You know what I said? I said tacos. and then you just blast it. Wah, 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 wah.
Oh, we have way too much fun here. Let's take a look at some member gains for today. We
need a button.
We do. I'm so close to a stream deck. How much
are they? I'll buy one.
Like they're like $199. You know what? Your problem with buying an Apple Watch is the same problem that I have with buying a stream deck.
Exactly. It doesn't make sense.
But here we are buying Quantumscape out of nowhere.
Right? Hey. You know a really nice play.
No, that's a solid play. We're going to talk about that in a bit. Actually, let's get to these member games. Tef Leezy Foshizi with some Roku games. $900 on Roku. You got out. Nice.
Got out at the top.
At the top. And we like that. And we're going to show you guys a chart in a bit. That's why we call him Teflon John. The legend lives on.
Legend lives on.
The legend lives on. Tony followed us on some Roku. Good job on some Roku. Some nice move. Nice moves on Roku. I managed to get out of Lucid for a nice bander. Nice bander trade. That was like a 226% trade. Nice. Andrew with some UPSD, some honest work for 188.
Upstart's been on fire, man.
Upstart's on a tear.
Hell, it won't come down.
On a tear. No, it won't come down. There's also other ones on the general chat.
I think Sammy made some on.
Yeah, he's in some Lucid. He's got 70% right now. Knowledge, nice 253 on knowledge for some Lucid. Where else?
There's always room for family.
This is the design I'm talking to you guys about. This is the this is the Evergrande Group Risk Assessment Department crew neck. So,
it's awesome. You can just wear it in the office. Wear it in the office.
It's such a great design. I'd rock it at the office. I'd rock it anywhere you go. I'll wear this at DVC.
Man, people are gonna take selfies with you.
I'm gonna take selfies at DVC with this. This is an amazing shirt. I'd rock this shirt any day.
You work for Evergrande? Wow.
No, I used to before they went tits up. So that's pretty much it for member gains. Let's take a look at the stocks that we want to cover. The first one is a review from yesterday. Roku John got out of Roku today. And tell us the rhyme and reason for this, John.
All right, so let's pull up the daily chart here. So for Roku, it was a beautiful setup yesterday, and the reason I actually added yesterday, and yesterday's candle was
the abandoned baby.
An abandoned baby. That's what you call it. It's a doji. It opened really low from the previous day. You see how 2 days ago, Friday, it almost touched the EMA 9, and then Monday there's a gap down, and then it's a doji on top of that. So that's an abandoned baby because it opened really low. Plus, on top of that, the dip got bought. Okay, so today all we had to do was just wait, and then wait for it to touch the EMA 9. We had a huge gap up. We saw an after hours move in all the markets. We were up like I think 0.5 to like almost like 1% overnight. So we saw a huge gap up on majority of the stocks that we held on from yesterday. And Roku was one of them. Roku was up I think 1.5% by open, and then by then all I had to do was just wait for it to hit the EMA 9 around 324-ish, and that's when I sold. And you see how it dipped all the way to 319 already. So that's technical analysis right there. All you had to do was just wait for it to touch resistance. Even though it broke through, for the most part of the day, it still came down below the 9. So for this one right here, it was a great clean trade. We bought the bottom, and then we sold at the very top, and then look where it's at right now. It came down again, so we were able to get away with a nice profit for this one. So I'm still going to keep an eye on Roku. However, with tech looking like it's going to dump some more, Roku is one of the stocks that are beat up for quite some time now, along with Zoom. So keep those in watch. Those two.
Yep. So from a day trade perspective, if we take a look at where it was on the hourly chart this morning, if you took a day trade on this and you took it at the open, you would probably start at your position right around 320, and then because this is the reason why you wanted to get out, you would have gotten out. Because the Bollinger Band, it pierced. Conventional theory says that if it pierces, it always retreats back and retraces back inside the Bollinger Band. And that's where you would have exited at the top, because this Bollinger Band didn't open up. So it didn't open up. There was no reason for you to hold it, although it still gave you that whole thing in the morning where it's still holding on to it. I would not hold on to this stock after this initial sell off at the top right here.
Yeah.
Is there more for Roku? I don't like it anymore.
I don't think so.
No, this is the after hours candle right here. How it we closed today at 319. Yeah, 319. We're now at 316.90. There's a lot more tomorrow as a put, I feel.
Yeah, I think that tomorrow is going to gap down a little bit lower. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh well.
Yep. Oh well. You made some bank on it. That's good enough, right? The next stock that we want to cover is Airbnb.
Man, the moment you texted me about Airbnb, I was looking at it. I was like, man, I want to dump some money in Airbnb.
I know Airbnb got some very bullish news today, saying that the United States is about to ease up restrictions on vaccinated foreign travelers. So obviously, very bullish news for travel.
Airlines were up today. That's why.
Yeah, they were up too. So let's take a look at Airbnb from a technical analysis standpoint. So I drew this mark, right? 170.42 is the next level of resistance, and the reason why I say that is if we zoom out, see how it touched it once, twice, and today 3 times.
Yeah.
Okay. If we are going to take this trade tomorrow, I want it above $170.42. And I see all the indicators are still pointing up. So we're still at this upward trend. So let's draw real quick here. We're still on this upward trend, as you can see right there.
I see it.
All right. And I think that there is more to this. We just need to break this level of resistance. So it's an ascending triangle.
It is, yeah.
So to speak, right?
Yeah.
As far as the after hours is concerned, it kind of held up its gains. There's really not a whole lot here. It gave it away towards the end because there was a flush for the whole market, and it didn't. 10 minutes, yeah, it didn't really go down even more after that. But do you have any anything to add on Airbnb?
No, I like the trend line you drew.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
fairly solid trend line.
Follow through. Yeah.
All it needs is a follow through. As far as the indicators are concerned, we bounced off of the MACD, so there's more to the upside, and we're not even at overbought levels here. So there's a lot more room here as long as we stay. And I guess we would count this as an abandoned baby too, John.
We're gonna start using that term. People are gonna be like, "What baby? I don't see
what
a baby.
Who abandoned the baby?
You don't leave a baby in the corner.
You don't never leave baby in the corner." That's pretty much it for Airbnb. And the next stock that we want to cover is a family play, QS.
I was taking a walk in the park, and I was like, "Why is QS moving?"
Yeah, why was QS moving, John?
Well, because they got some news, something about a battery partnership with one of the top. Did they even name the car company?
I don't think they did. Let's take a look at live news. They just said, "Oh."
Yeah, they had some. They struck a deal with some partnership, I guess, with some top car company. They didn't even name it, but it's probably some bogus stuff. But who cares? You know, we're in this play right here. Me personally, I'm in 10 calls. Was it October 25th? Is it 25th or 22nd?
25th.
Oh, 25th. 22nd. Okay, and then we got. I think we all got the $24 strike, right? For this one.
We did.
Yeah. So we're currently up. I think I'm up like 10% on this one.
Yeah, we are up 10% on this. As a day trade, I would swing this. I like it for a swing. And I'm in a starter position on this, and I'm gonna add as I see it 2 scenarios for me. If this dips and I see the floor to become $19.11, right? That is the bottom. And we've been trading sideways for quite some time, and you see how the indicators are just pointing up. And we, right.
If you zoom out, I mean, QS came down from what?
123.73.
What a piece of shit company. This company bamboozled so many investors. Seriously, like
people are still holding on to their 120.
I bet. Like they were saying that this company was going to be like the next provider for all EVs, right? I mean,
nope.
They're so far out. Like
They're still I think a year or 2 out from actual production.
Yeah, no, I think 2024, 2 years.
2024, shit.
Yeah.
But we're gonna ride the momentum here. The next level of resistance that I charted out was 24.66. We've tried it numerous times. So 1, 2, and then 3 today to a T.
Yep.
To a T, John.
Yes, and guess what? It's above the 50 EMA. What it needs to hold tomorrow is that 50. It needs to bounce off of it, or if it opens above, today's candle, even better.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
I think we'll be able to squeeze this up until like 25, 26, hell, maybe in 27, because we've seen US move, 10%.
10, 20% sometimes.
Yeah.
And then if it ever breaks 24.66, I'm setting up a buy to add more to my position because I do like it.
Today. Volume.
Yeah, we have volume today.
40 million.
Let's take a look here. Yeah, 44.
44. Wow. And the average is about, I think, 6 million.
Yeah, 44. Yeah. So we're I think it's found its bottom. But let's see where this goes. We've been trading sideways for quite some time now, and then we'll update you guys as we see strength and see if there's an exit for this stock. But for the meantime, we're both in it. A lot of our members on our Discord are also in it, and if you guys aren't part of this Discord, you guys have an opportunity.
Y'all missing out, man.
I know. You can have an opportunity right now because the Discord Premium is currently free until Sunday. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys hop in there. Also, we have a free seminar tomorrow. Which reminds me, I got to post up that poster. We have a free seminar tomorrow. We'll talk about certain plays that we're in. We're going to break down some plays. So make sure that you guys join us tomorrow for that seminar. And also hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you're new to trading, don't know where to start, or just want to join a group of active traders and get in on some family plays, hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. We'll get you guys squared away and put it in the right direction. Follow us on all the social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades, Trading Daddies for the both of us, tradingdaddies.com for all your news, your merch. Evergrande Risk Assessment Department shirts are available now. Go to tradingdaddies.com.
It's so messed up.
It's so good. It's too good. It's too good not to share. You know what I'm saying? It's too good not to share. Also, hit up my new clothing line, wash.brand, wash.brand on Instagram. And with that being said, hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content, because John, if he gives a thumbs down, a full one, drop down in the comment section below, stocks you guys wanted to cover. And with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts, they don't lie.
Yeah.